Have you ever sat down to do something important and somehow ended up on your phone 5 minutes later? Yeah, me too. You tell yourself, okay, this time I'm going to focus. You open your laptop, you're ready. But then you check one notification, then another, then suddenly 20 minutes are gone. And the worst part is, you start thinking something's wrong with you. But here's the thing, you're not lazy, you're not broken, your brain is just overwhelmed. Every day, you're exposed to so much information, short videos, notifications, messages, non-stop. And your brain adapts. It gets used to quick rewards, fast entertainment, constant stimulation. So, when you try to focus on something slower, like studying, working, or even reading, your brain resists. Not because it can't focus, but because it's been trained not to. That's why it feels so hard just to start. Even when you want to do it, you sit there staring at your work, feeling stuck. And somehow, scrolling feels easier. So don't try to fix everything at once. Don't say I'm going to focus for 2 hours. That's too much. Start smaller than that. Try just 5 minutes. No distractions, no pressure, just 5 minutes. And when it ends, you can stop if you want. Because focus isn't something you suddenly have. It's something you slowly rebuild. And it's okay if you're not there yet. Just start small. Even a little focus is still progress.